Most people think good speakers are expensive, but honestly even a 500 to 1000 speakers can sound better than your laptop's built-in audio. So in this video, I tested some of the best budget desktop speakers for music, movies and gaming to find out which one is actually worth buying. So let's get started. Now first, let's talk about an option for people with a super tight budget. If you just want to improve your laptop's weak sound without spending much, then check this out, Artis Mini 2.0 speaker. Now obviously these are not powerful gaming speakers and you are not getting heavy bass here, but for basic daily use they actually work surprisingly well. You get simple left and right speakers, so sound feels much clearer compared to normal laptop speakers. While watching YouTube, dialogue sound cleaner and even casual music listening feels more enjoyable. Now yes, if you expect deep bass or room shaking sound, this is not made for that. But for online classes, movies, casual videos, daily work, this is a nice little upgrade. Setup is also super simple, plug it in and you are ready to go. So if your budget is below 500, this is honestly a decent option to start with. Link in the description, you can check it out. Now if you increase your budget a little, the sound quality also improved quite a lot. And this range, one really popular option is Zebronics Fame 2.0 speaker. Now compared to basic speakers, these sound more open and cleaner. Dialogues become easier to understand and songs sound much better too. You also get dual drivers, which makes the sound feel wider instead of compressed. And with 5 watt output, these are perfectly good for small rooms or desk setups. Another useful things here, you get a physical volume controller, so adjusting sound becomes much easier. Overall, if you want a proper upgrade without spending too much, this is a smart pick. Buying link is in the description, you can check it out. Now if you want your setup to look cleaner and more modern, not just sound better, then this next option is actually really interesting. Honeywell Movie V500 soundbar. And the biggest difference here is the design. Instead of separate speakers, you get one compact soundbar that fits perfectly below your monitor. And honestly, that alone makes the setup look cleaner and more premium. Now coming to sound quality, you get 10 watt RMS output, so the sound instantly feels fuller and louder. Dialogues become clearer, music sound richer, and overall experience feels much better than normal budget speakers. And the best part, it's super easy to use. USB for power, aux for audio, just connect it and start using it. So if you want better sound and a cleaner desk setup, this is a really solid option. Link is in the description, you can check it out. Now if you're someone who likes gaming style setups and wants speakers that also look cool, then this one is for you. Zebronics Zev Warrior. The first things you will notice here is the RGB lighting. The moment you turn it on, your normal setup instantly start feeling more like a gaming setup. And thankfully, it's not just about look. You also get 10 watt RMS output, so sound feels louder, stronger and more energetic. While gaming, gunshots, footsteps and background effects feel much more immersive. And even while listening to music, the sound feels fun and lively. So if you want good sound and gaming vibes, this is honestly a fun option to buy. Buying link is in the description, you can check it out. And finally, if you don't want RGB lights and instead prefer something simple, clean and premium looking, then this option is definitely worth checking out. Amazon Basic USB speaker. This speaker focuses more on clean sound and minimal design. The silver finish gives them a very modern look and they blend nicely with almost any setup. Now sound wise they feel balanced and smooth, vocals sound clean, audio doesn't feel harsh, and even after long listening sessions, the sound stays comfortable. So instead of focusing only on loudness, these speakers focus more on giving you a clean listening experience, which makes them great for office setups, study desk or minimal setups. Link is in the description, you can check it out. Now the biggest question, which one should you buy? If your budget is super tight and you just want basic sound improvement, go for Artis. If you want better clarity and balanced sound, go for Zebronics Fame. If you want a cleaner desk setup, the Honeywell soundbar looks and feels better. If you want gaming vibes and RGB lighting, go for Zev Warrior. And if you want a clean premium setup with balanced output, then Amazon Basic is the better choice. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and tell me in the comments which speaker would you choose for your setup. And if you want more simple, honest and practical tech videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.